Hi, my name is Terrace Travers, and I did my um, presentation on Amanda Kelly. She's a BCBA on the doctorate level, and she's a licensed behavior analysis. A quick introduction. As you can see in that picture, that's Amanda Kelly. She's also known as Behavior Babe. I chose that picture of her because of the quote, "Be the change you want to see in the world." Um, Her previous career, she was a paraprofessional. She was a licensed teacher and a school counselor. She also has her own website, which is behaviorbabe.com, and a lot of my information that I found on her about what she has done previously and some other things that we'll talk about is what I got from that website. Some dates she's been active. So currently she is a licensed behavior analysis in Hawaii. She's been licensed there since January 1st, 2016, and she currently is still considered a licensed behavior analysis in Hawaii. She is the first licensed behavior analysis in Hawaii. Um, April 2013 to current, she is board certified behavior analysis on the doctorate level. Before that, so March 2008 to April of 2013, she was a board certified behavior analysis on the master's level, and she was a BCABA from June of 2005 to June of 2008. These are a list of some articles and books she has written. She does have a few more. These are the five that I chose to read on and add in my presentation. So, the first article, "The Licensing of Behavior Analysis: Protecting the Profession and the Public." What I liked about that article, she really showed her passion for what she called protecting the profession. So teaching you of ethical things to do. Um, yeah, sorry for that pause. Um, the next one will be um, the attitudes towards children with autism versus normally developing children as predictors of professional burnout and psychopathology. Um, The next would be effects of pre-session pairing on the challenging behaviors and academic responding of children with autism. I particularly like that article because it reminded me of some things that I was doing as a counselor with children with autism, and seeing how pre-session pairing is very beneficial. The fourth article was spreading the news, history, successes, challenges, and the ethics of effective um, dissemination. And the last was blurred lines, ethical implications of social media for behavior analysis. And what I liked about that was it talked about being in different groups and stuff on Facebook, and how you could give advice through social media, just protecting yourself in those instances. So, a little bit more summaries of the findings in the article of empathic attitudes towards children with autism versus normally developing children. They found that many professionals may suppress or avoid negative thoughts and feelings pertaining to the client population. According to this study, burnout is potentially harmful for worker, clients, and the institution. It lowers the quality of care delivered to the clients. In the article, effects of pre-session pairing on the challenging behaviors and academic responding of children with autism. The findings of this article is that fewer challenging behaviors were presented when academics were followed by pairing. And then just touching on one more, in the article Blurred Lines, Ethical Implications of Social Media for Behavior Analysis, they reviewed the Behavior Analysis Certification Board, so the BACB, pertaining to social networks and how to avoid and resolve potential violations. Although there was no actual, I guess you could say, policy on social media, there were a lot of policies that discussed how you should give advice. So it all kind of tied in together. There are other articles in which she authors that discuss protecting the profession and advocating within the profession. So a summary of the interview. I am trying to educate my current place of employment, which is a behavioral health and mental health hospital about behavior analysis. So what advice do you have on helping me to educate them on the effects that behavior analysis can have in this type of facility? I apologize for that typo. Would you recommend a behavior analysis, a BCBA, to also become a LBA? I am currently located in Virginia, where there seems to be a high demand for BCBA or BCABA. What is your advice on choosing the best place of employment? I have much experience working with children with autism in an educational setting, which was a private school, and an early intervention center. I would love to experience the public setting as well. What would you say is the biggest difference, and what would your preference be between the two? And my last question for Dr. Amanda Kelly is, what made you change from being a teacher to a behavior analysis? I am currently a teacher and in the process of becoming a BCBA. So her impact on the field, as I mentioned previously, she started as a paraprofessional. She even did some in-home counseling on the graduate level. She's currently teaching on a graduate level across the country. Um, she's attended many speaking engagements, several being just now in 2018. She has several publications on spreading awareness and to educate on the effectiveness of behavior analysis. And she's very, very passionate about protecting the profession. Um, Most recent impact to the field, she works as an ABA media liaison online. She's been doing that since 2005 and currently still. She's an advocacy advisor, clinical training coordinator, and she's an Autism Speaks volunteer advocacy ambassador. She's currently in Hawaii and is licensed as a behavior analysis, and she serves on the board for Hawaii Association for Behavior Analysis as legislative chair and as the Hawaii Disability Rights Center as the secretary. And here's my references and where I found all of my information. I hope you all were able to enjoy this presentation on Dr. Amanda Kelly. Thank you.